Hi everybody, it's NADIABEAUTYO here, and I am bringing to you the new My Signs by Revolutions. Basically, they've brought out a collection of, I think, 4 of them. So I've got my hand on one of them, and these are so reasonably priced. They're £6 and they are stunning. This is what the package looks like, and obviously it's in this box. For £6 for such blendable colours, I am so shocked. I would like to get my hands on the other 3, because this one is the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius palette, and that's what it looks like. I'm just blown away. I really am blown away by the quality of these for a £6 palette. For 15 eyeshadows, you know, I'm just blown away, really am. The only thing that I'm going to fault it on is the fact that there's not enough matte shades in here, and the fact that there is no actual name shades on these. They're my only downfalls about this. I've got strange people. Guys. I just can't fault it. I am loving this look. I really am. I love this look. And it's the Pantene colours, because I've gone for like a purpley orange. I'm going to do the swatches on this, and then obviously the tutorial will be coming up. So there are the first 4 colours. So that's the first 4. The next 4. So there are the next 4 down. The next 4. So that's the next 4 on them. And then the last 3. And the last 3. So I wouldn't say they're metal, but I wouldn't say they're matte, and they're definitely not shimmer. They're like a metal hybrid. If you carry on watching, you will see me applying it, and then my final thoughts afterwards. I'm going into the Fight palette, and I just thought that, obviously I don't know how it performs. The only problem with these is you don't get the name shades, so I'm just going to have to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with this one. Everything else that's on my face will be linked down below. So yeah, I'm just going to run this one on my lid. It's got shimmer in it, which when you actually look at it, it doesn't look like it's got shimmer in it. I'm going to take it all the way up to my brow bone, because it's really pretty colour. I'm still going to use it as a transition colour, but it does look beautiful. I am then going to go into this matte brown here and run that through my crease. Oh, that's got pigment. You can see it on there. That is so pigmented. So all I'm doing is circular motions and blending, so just to disperse the product. That's really pretty. I am still trying to darken it a little bit more, so again going back in with more of the same shade. I'm wiggling the brush in circular motions and back and forth. Stunning, really stunning. Right, I'm getting a smaller brush to go into the crease, and I'm going to take this purple and put it into my crease. And again, it'll be window wipe motions I want to concentrate more on the outer edge. So and just slowly building it up. And packing it on that corner. So to build up that purple. Sort of the third of my eye. Then I'm going to be going into this like cranberry purple for the third of my eye. Still using the same brush because it's a nice brush. The pigment's there, guys, it really is. It's just no wonder I never get any use out of my palettes. Just trying to blend them together so that they're not as harsh. I'm going to run that dark purple underneath. Then I'm going to go into the cranberry and put that in the middle. Then I think I'm going to go into this white shade for my inner part of my eye. These are so pigmented, guys. To go back in and blend the colours together so there's no harsh lines, but boy, these are so nice. I added product on my brush. I'm just going to try and blend these so they're a little bit more seamless. So, and I think I'm actually going to go into a darker one just here. It's not quite black, it's like purple, and try and deepen out this purple looking one. The purple is still there, but obviously this has just darkened it. Then I'm just going to take the original brush with no product on and just literally buff it all together to make it a lot more seamless. You know, you can buff for however long you want, and then I am going to put some of that on the bottom of my... So guys, I'm going to put my mascara on, highlight and lipsticks, and then I'll be back with you and discuss more on this palette. So I'm going to draw you in so that you can see. Basically, obviously you'll have seen the swatches and I say how nice they are and they're beautiful. They are so blendable. The only downfall, which is what I said at the beginning, is there isn't enough mattes. I would like just a pure base white cream matte to start off with. I don't mind going in with any of the other colours, but I've got a stunning eye look out of it, and I really do think for the price of £6 it's worth it. It really is. And as I said in the beginning, I am going to try and get my hands on the other lot. They are stunning, really are stunning. Outstanding quality. There's no fallout, there's nothing that I can really complain about apart from the two things, which is the shade's name's not on it, and I like the fact that it's clear. because a lot of Makeup Revolutions are in black boxes that you can't see what eyeshadows you've got. At least with this you can, but I would highly recommend this. This is stunning. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see the rest of the palette, if you do enjoy this, give us a thumbs up, and any comments below if you do want to see more of the palettes. Then again, let me know in the comments below and I will provide them for you. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.